My name is Hui Peng Kang. Um, I'm a Chinese international student majoring in communication and sociology at the University of Ottawa, and I'm a fourth year student this year. My future plan is to go back to my country and to pursue a career in media. So I think this professional knowledge helped me a lot. What qualitative method means to me? Personally, I think that qualitative research is a process of analyzing information obtained through investigation and observation. This process, I think observation is very important, and I also think about information obtained from observation. I'm also a person who likes to think deeply about many people or events, so qualitative research is a process for me to get information from various aspects. And my research question is based on events that are happening in the world today. My research question is about the impact of Japan's recent discharge of nuclear wastewater on the world. To analyze this, is it irreversible and how long will it last? The reason I collect or create this discourse is because they help me to observe the things around me or document them, so to speak. Because the things I create or collect are certainly personal to me, and when I record them, I think about them in many ways. They're not only a process of creation or collection for me, but also a way for me to think. For the dream word cloud, as before, I probably wouldn't have paid much attention to my dreams because I thought dreams were virtual. They didn't make me pay attention or think about them. But when I recorded my dreams, I actually found it quite interesting. In fact, dreams can reflect a recent state of my life, such as what exists in my life or what I have lost. Dreams can show different perspectives, and when I think about them or try to connect them together, I feel that a lot of the emotional feelings that happen in dreams can be connected to the emotions in my life. That's why I paid attention to my dreams, which are visual and unrealistic. Dreams are visual and unrealistic, but for me, analyzing dreams is the same as analyzing a psychological state of mind. For the poetry word cloud, the pattern of my poems is the same from the word to the personal and from the personal to the word. Maybe this is a little bit abstract or unclear, but in fact, when I create poems, I just want to connect a word or something with my personal perspective and create a story. I also enjoy this process, this kind of mind jumping process. For the meanings word cloud, one thing that caught my attention in all my meanings is that these meanings are not about what they individually mean in terms of the original event or the things themselves. Rather, it's how I understand them, what I mean in my eyes, rather than going for their own definition. Again, I can also define the things as they exist. I cannot explain them, but I think that my perspective or my idea of understanding those things can make me feel something different. The significance of street level media culture is significant and meaningful for me. The significance of street level media culture is, I think, I think that if you have an idea, you can make it into a poster and put it up in a place where people will notice it, which will let more people know about their ideas. When I was first introduced to this culture, it was actually quite new to me because I had never really looked at this kind of thing before. And in my country, there are even fewer posters on the street. For the coding, for the coding chart, for my coding process, I put together everything that I needed to be coded. Then I chose a few keyword categories, and from what I put together, I filtered out the keyword related words. Coding is a really important process. It is not only a way for you to watch what you have recorded, but it also helps you to find out the keywords that are really relevant to you as a person. Learning outcome. Throughout my research journey, I have learned how to observe, how to document my life, and how to think about what I'm documenting. I think every step is important also, and also observing and thinking allows me to think critically about myself. And these are based on my own documentation of myself. When you have completed the whole process, you may be able to discover points, emotions, or thoughts in yourself that you could not observe on your own. My mind was opened up a lot after I finished my research journey, and it was really rewarding. Thank you for watching.